Hello and welcome to this short demo. Today we will take a look at how to use the FEDn API Client with FEDn Studio. This is my project. I have already run 2 sessions, and what I want to do now is to list those sessions using the API Client. To do that, I start off by creating a virtual environment on my machine. And I activate the virtual environment. And then I click on this information button right here. And I follow this step-by-step guide. Click on the generate token button. Copy this command to set FEDn auth token as an environment variable. And then I copy and paste the pip install FEDn command into my terminal. And once this has finished installing, I can open up a Python shell. Now I copy this line here to import the API client, and then I copy this line right here, and this line creates an instance of the API client that I can use to get data from my project. The URL is already specified to my particular project. So now that I have the client instance, I can use it to get data. So to list sessions, I can copy and paste this command into my terminal, client.getSessions. So here we can see my 2 sessions listed, session 1 here, for example. I can use a similar command to get the model generated in my project, get models. And there are many more methods that you can use in the API client, and you can find the documentation here. That's all I wanted to show you today. Thank you for watching and thank you for using FEDn.